Yes, Joseph, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So tell me, how ozone layer protects the living organism? ओजोन लेयर अर्थ को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है?
Because of gases.
हाँ, ओजोन लेयर कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है? हाउ इट प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर अर्थ? It absorbs ultraviolet rays. Okay, वो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज को absorb करता है. Sun, it emits some kind of rays. One of the rays ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays मतलब it is very very dangerous. अगर हमारे स्किन में आया, स्किन डिसीजेस तक हो जाता है. ओके, तो ये ओजोन लेयर क्या करता है? इट एब्जॉर्ब्स द अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज. इन दिस वे ओजोन लेयर प्रोटेक्ट आवर अर्थ. अभी देखो, अभी सब घर में एसी है, रेफ्रिजरेटर है, दैट वी नो. तो ये एसी, रेफ्रिजरेटर, ये सब वर्किंग कंडीशन में इट एमिट सम गैसेस. वो गैसेस का नाम है क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. ओके, ये क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन क्या करता है? ओजोन लेयर में होल बनाता है. ओके, ओजोन लेयर में होल बनाता है. तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा? अगर ओजोन लेयर में होल बन गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? हाउ इट विल अफेक्ट आवर अर्थ?
with air. With air.
Yes.
With air.
ओजोन लेयर में अगर होल बन गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? हाउ इट विल अफेक्ट द अर्थ? सी, अभी मैंने बताया कि ओजोन लेयर अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. ओके, जब अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज को एब्जॉर्ब करता है तो क्या होता है? वो अर्थ तक नहीं पहुंचता है, क्योंकि अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज दे आर वेरी हार्मफुल रेज, खतरनाक रेज है. ओके, तो किसके वजह से वो अर्थ तक नहीं पहुंचता है?
Holes.
किसके वजह से वो अर्थ तक नहीं पहुंचता है?
Because of rays.
वो रेस अर्थ तक क्यों नहीं पहुंचता है? वो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस अर्थ तक क्यों नहीं पहुंचता है? Which layer protect us or which layer prevent the entry of ultraviolet rays to the earth? अभी क्या, कौन से लेयर के बारे में बता रहे थे मैं?
Teacher of chlorophore.
That is gas. I am asking about the layer. स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर में कौन सा लेयर प्रेजेंट है?
Sphere.
स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर में कौन सा लेयर प्रेजेंट है?
Teacher.
Yes, Joseph.
Yes, ma'am.
Ozone layer. Are you listening here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you able to answer? Okay, so ozone layer में ओजोन लेयर अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस को अर्थ तक पहुंचने से प्रिवेंट करता है, उसको रोकता है. इसके वजह से हम लोग सब सेफ है. अगर ओजोन लेयर में होल बन गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हो जाएगा?
जो वो रेस अर्थ पे नहीं आएगी.
नहीं आएंगे. होल बन गया तो सब एक एक एग्जाम्पल. ओके, आप छाता पकड़ा है. ओके, बहुत बारिश हो रहा है, तो अगर छाता है तो हम लोग भीगेंगे?
नहीं.
नहीं. अगर छाता पे होल है तो क्या होएगा?
टीचर थोड़ा थोड़ा भीगेंगे.
हम लोग भीगेंगे. बराबर. तो वैसे अगर ओजोन लेयर में होल है तो क्या होएगा?
टीचर वो थोड़ा थोड़ा रेस आने लगे धरती पे.
रेस इट विल एंटर द अर्थ. तो अगर
Yes.
वो अर्थ में एंटर हुआ तो क्या होएगा? हाउ इट विल अफेक्ट द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म? It is harmful. Okay, it is harmful for the living organisms. Now do one thing. Can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down these points.
Okay.
Jasmine, write down these points.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yes.
घाई झाली ते बोलतात मला त्यांना औषध आणू दे म्हणजे त्यांना औषध दिलं तर बरं वाटेल ना.
Okay, 4 points are there.
Ma'am, we have to write 4 to 4 points.
Yes, 4 points you have to write.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
बघ जा दीदी जरा खाली बंद कर बघू किती पाणी येतंय.
Okay, so this is about ozone layer. Okay, so ozone layer, it is present in the lower part of stratosphere. And how it protect our earth, it absorbs, because this ozone layer, it is composed of or made up of ozone gas. So this ozone gas, it absorbs the ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun. Okay, so and there are some gases which is used in air conditions, refrigerators. They make or they destroy this ozone layer. That gases are carbon tetrachloride, chlorofluorocarbons. You have to learn this two gases name thoroughly because it's very, very important. And 16 every year 16th of September 16 सितंबर को हम ओजोन डे मनाया जाता है. Do you know the importance of the day 16 September?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So do you celebrate in school? How do you celebrate this day in school, in your school?
Ma'am, I didn't celebrate till now.
Okay. Joseph, did you celebrate in school?
Yeah. No.
Oh, no. Okay. But keep in your mind that 16 September is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day. Okay. क्यों है वो day? Because it make aware of the importance of ozone. Okay. So this is about atmosphere. Now next is water. What do you know about water? How much percentage of water is present in earth? Any idea? How much percentage of water is present in the earth? So 71% of water.
3%.
71. Okay, 71% of water and 29% of land. Okay, so more water is means our earth is covered by more amount of water. Okay, but among this 71%, only very small amount of water is available for drinking. Okay, I will share the screen. 1 second, I will show you the proportion. See, can you see the picture? Observe and discuss.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so see, seas and oceans, 97% of water sources, seas and oceans. But can we use this sea water and ocean water? Can we use this sea water and
Yes.
ocean water?
No,
No. Why?
No, ma'am. So
because
because
it's salty.
Yes, because it is salty. Okay, so can you see only this much amount of water is available for drinking? Can you see the color? Yellow color. Only that much amount of water is available for drinking. 71% of earth is water, but in this 71%, only small amount of water is available for drinking. So what should we do?
We should save water.
We should save water. We should not waste water. Only human beings are using water.
No.
No, all the
they are
living
using
things are using water. So we should use it. How we should use? We should not waste it. See, use water sparingly. Okay. Then block water. Whenever rain is there, try to block it so that the water will go, it will seep into the soil. जब soil के अंदर जाएगा, it will store as which water? What kind of water?
well water.
Groundwater. Okay, it will
Ground.
store as groundwater. Okay, so if the level of groundwater is more, we can use it for our future purpose also. So use the water sparingly. So that is about water. In that water part, you just keep it in your mind. 71% of water is earth is made up of water. Now land. So how many percentage of land is present, or earth is made up of how much percentage of land?
27%.
29. Okay.
Sorry, 29.
29. So in the land we can see stone, soil, big rocks, everything we can see. And the animals, all the terrestrial animals, human beings, all are living on the land. So land is also an important part. Okay. See, have you ever observed after digging the land? आपने लैंड को डिग करके देखा है कभी?
No.
No. If you dig the land, you can see different layers. देखो ये पिक्चर में कैसे दिखाया है? You can see different layers of land. तो ये एकदम टॉपर मोस्ट लेयर है ह्यूमस. So what is humus? What is humus? Humus, they are the layer formed by the decomposition of the plants and animals. जब plants सूख जाता है, animals मर जाता है, वो डिकम्पोज होके वो ऊपर का जो लेयर है उधर कलेक्ट हो जाता है. Okay, that layer is known as what? Humus. It's very, very important point. See, better you note down in your book. Can you see the highlighted part?
Yes.
Yes. So write
Yes.
the topmost layer of the soil. The topmost layer of the soil. The topmost layer of the soil is formed by the decomposition of remains of plants and animals. This layer is called humus.
Done, ma'am.
ओके तो जब प्लांट्स सूख जाता है, जब एनिमल्स मर जाता है, ये इसको क्या होता है, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स विल डिकम्पोज देम. उनका बॉडी में जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स है वो सब सेपरेट करता है. and it will collect or it will gather stored on the toppermost layer of the soil. Okay, तो वो fertile रहता है, एकदम nutritious रहता है. Okay, that layer is called humus. उसके नीचे के layer you can see soil. Toppermost layer है humus, then soil, then उस और नीचे आया तो you can see layer of soil and small rocks. Okay, और नीचे जाएगा तो soil भी दिखेगा, small rocks भी दिखेगा. And एकदम bottom में you can see bedrock. Bedrock means full of rocks. Okay, तो ये है layer of soil. Land का layers है, layers of land. एकदम toppermost में which layer is there? Which layer? Humus.
Humus.
Yes. Below that,
Soil.
soil. And third one, below that again, if you go down, you can see soil plus small rocks. Okay, soil और पत्थर भी दिखेगा. और एकदम bottom में गया तो you can see bedrock. Bedrock means बड़ा बड़ा पत्थर. Okay, bedrock means big rocks. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see how the soil is formed. Process of soil formation. So just now we understood what is bedrock. Bedrock मतलब क्या है?
बड़ा बड़ा पत्थर.
पत्थर. Okay. So soil कैसे form होता है? By the weathering of the bedrock. Weathering of the bedrock means ये bedrock because of some abiotic components. Abiotic components मतलब heat, cold, water के वजह से. Heat, cold, water, wind, rain, इसके वजह से ये जो bedrock है वो it will break down into smaller pieces. Okay, due to the abiotic components like heat, cold, water, wind and rain, the bedrock will breaks into smaller pieces. Okay, so the stone, sand and soil are formed from these pieces. ये pieces से क्या बनता है? Soil बनता है. Is it clear how the soil formation happen? तो आप आपके इसमें एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं मुझे? How the soil is formed? Yes, how the soil is formed?
Bedrocks, small rocks.
Bedrocks को क्या होता है?
Ma'am, the soil is formed from decomposition of the remains of plants and animals.
That is humus. That is topmost layer of the land. वो humus है. I am asking how the soil form. How the soil form. How the soil form? Yes, batao. In your words, you tell me. Okay, so
Bedrocks.
bedrocks को क्या होता है? See, read it. That line which I am highlighting, you read it.
Due to the heat, cold, and water of the sun, wind, and rain, respectively, the bedrock breaks down into pieces.
Okay, then
Then stones, sand, and soil are formed from these pieces.
yes, write down this also. So because of the abiotic components, abiotic matlab non-living components like heat के वजह से, cold के वजह से, wind के वजह से, water के वजह से सब ये bedrock it will break down into smaller pieces. वो छोटा छोटा pieces हो जाता है. Okay, ये pieces से क्या बनता है? Soil, stone, sand. Stone, sand and soil are formed from these pieces. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So what we have learned today?
About fear.
Mhm.
And harmful substance
Hmm.
and
We have learned about air pollution,
Okay.
air, water, land, and fear,
Okay.
and
atmosphere, and ozone layer.
Okay. Then
sand, layer of sand.
Layer.
okay. Okay, so you just go through the lesson. If any doubts are there, you can ask. And Joseph, have you done the homework? In the last class, I have given you one question. I told you to find out the answer. Have you done?
The answer is not.
See, if
Answer
you
name is there.
Google it, you will get it. Please just Google it and find out. Okay, today you have to WhatsApp me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So see you on the next class.
Can you send me once more the question?